Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is become. Here's a picture of a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. Here is become in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Become means to begin to be something. Become. Past progressive was becoming, past became. Present progressive becoming, present become. Future will become. Let's build a sentence. They became. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. They became what? What did they become? They became experts. Ooh. Let's build a sentence. They became experts. How? How did they become experts? They became experts playing online games. Yeah, playing online games. Let's build a sentence. They became experts playing online games. Where? Where did they become experts? In South Korea. Let's build a sentence. They became experts playing online games in South Korea. How? How did they play in South Korea? For a team. Okay, they played for a team. Let's build a sentence. They became experts playing online games in South Korea for a team. When? When was the team playing? During a tournament. Ooh, they are experts. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.